In this video, I will show you how to add a visitor counter in Hostinger website builder. To get started, go ahead and look for a resource code that you can use to be able to add this visitor counter feature into your website. So you can go ahead and search the internet for a resource code for that. So as you can see, I am using outside. Now head back to your Hostinger account, head over into the website section and click on websites list. Now under the websites list, you'll be able to find your available websites on Hostinger. Click on the edit website beside the website that you want to edit, where you want to add the visitor counter feature. Now in this website, go ahead and head over into the section where you want to add that feature. Under that, click on the add section button to be able to add a section there for this visitor counter feature that you want to add. Now that this is ready, head over into the add elements tab, scroll down and drag embed code into your section. Click on that enter code button and remove the existing code under this. Now go ahead and head back to outside. And on outside, go ahead and look for that visitor counter feature that you can add into your Hostinger account from this tools. So click on that number counter under the tools section. Click on that create widget for free. So as you can see, outside is a tool that you can use to create your number counter widget for your website. So click on this continue with this template. Once you have selected a template from this available ones, you can actually use for free if you sign up for a free account on outside. Now once you have selected the design that you want to use for your website, you can go ahead and click on this continue with this template button, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. So after that, you can edit the content, so you can enter it manually or use an external URL for each of this data. And after you edit this section to fit your preference, you can go ahead and click on that add to website for free button, and that will require you to create an account on outside. So just go ahead and create an account, and after you do that, you can go ahead and copy the code and embed it into your Hostinger website. So go ahead and head back into your Hostinger website. Once you've actually copied the embedded code, paste it into this section and click on that embed code button, and that is how you can simply do that. So go ahead and click on that update website button at the top right of your screen to update your website and make this reflect for your website. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.